Hey guys, so we're here with another video, and we're gonna be making a snowstorm in a jar with paint, glitter, water, and baby oil. Interesting. And Alka-Seltzer.
Interesting.
So we are gonna put the colors into the water. I have white and Vivian has purple.
So what we're gonna do now is
White.
add 2 drops of this, our paint, acrylic paint, into the room temperature water. It can be any temperature really, but
Can I say this is white?
1, 2. And then I'm gonna mix these.
This looks weird, guys.
It's actually literally just staying in one
Look,
piece.
Vivian. Look at mine.
What? How? Mine's starting to fog up, which is a plus.
Mine's already done.
I also have milk. But guys, don't drink this because it has acrylic paint in it, which can be bad for you.
I'm gonna drink this for milk.
That's what we should do on April Fool's Day.
But no, don't drink it.
No.
Now I'm gonna dump it in.
Mine's not too.
And dump.
I'm gonna add 1 squirt of Hazel's white, because that's what my mom said we had.
Oh!
Oh no.
I did it!
Oh, that's bright. Oh my gosh, that's more foggier and whiter.
Okay, so guys, as you see, I'm done. Now I'm gonna fill it up.
So now we're gonna add a few shakes of glitter to our painted water, apparently.
Just broke them in.
So, Hazel, you first.
Is that good? Now I'm gonna mix.
Whoa.
It's just staying up. No, it's just disappearing.
Not as much as.
Now we're gonna do.
Why does baby oil have such a small bowl? Ew! Hazel, was that you? So,
We are gonna
make a snowstorm now. Hazel,
with this.
are you excited?
Yeah.
Wow! A beat. So we're gonna put Alka-Seltzer into our oil, glitter, water, and paint. 3, 2, 1.
I can't see anything in there. I see on the top only.
You can barely see anything. So let's add more Alka-Seltzer. More.
Yeah, mine too. Me too. I'm gonna add 1 whole 1 and 3.
Ooh.
Will that be a lot? Are you ready, everyone?
Oh my gosh, look at it. Guys, this is amazing. It's so fizzy.
Oh, look at mine. I need another
And if you put your finger in it, it feels like an explosion.
How does it feel?
Feels weird.
It feels explosion. And then you can dip your hands in and play with it.
It's fizzing. No, that's what you do with boiling water if it fizzles over. And guys, if it's done bubbling and just acting cool, you can add more Alka-Seltzer and do it again.
Mine looks like a snow lantern.
Now we're gonna add toys on to our snow globe. I really want to take a dip in the snow, but I have to wait till the camera has started. How lovely. Add my floaty and then cannonball. Whoa.
My name's Winnie the Pooh.
Woo-hoo.
I'm dropping in. And I only have a t-shirt on. I don't care. I don't care if I get freezing.
Flop.
See me at school, jumping in.
Ready?
Getting all the crumbs.
And so I'm a friend.
What's happening? Me feel bubbly.
Add the last two, and then get my hand in there to get my toys. Ooh, glitter. Oh, my eyes are the sting. Oh, Alka-Seltzer burns.
Oh, I got Winnie the Pooh. Now let's don't kill me.
Oh, nuts.
What's happening to Winnie the Pooh and the squirrel?
Now test, see how absorbent it is.
Okay, I have a rubber ducky.
I have a pan.
Quack, quack, this is weird. Quack, quack, this doesn't feel like water.